How to play Pokemon Unite on PC. So if you want to play Pokemon Unite on PC, then first you just need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you just need to search for Pokemon Unite. Once you search here, you will have the game, right? So you can simply search for the download option, and you will not have the download option, right? So in order to download and in order to play the Pokemon Unite, what you need to do is you just need to install BlueStacks emulator on your device. So to install the BlueStacks, you just need to go with the search and search for BlueStacks. Once you've searched here, you will have www.bluestacks.com and simply go with download and download the BlueStacks. Once you've downloaded, now you can simply open up your BlueStacks. I've already downloaded the BlueStacks, so simply click and open up the application. And once you open, now you just need to go with the search under your BlueStacks and you need to search for Pokemon Unite. Once you search here, you will have your Pokemon Unite. Simply click on that game, and from here you just need to click on install from Google Play, and then you can install it. So once you click on install from Google Play, it will take you to the BlueStacks again. It will give you the app player interface, and under the app player, make sure to log into your account on your Google Play. And once you've logged in, now you will have the Pokemon Unite, right? So you just need to simply click on install or download. You will have that option right here. But in my country, this item is not available. But if it's available in your region or in your country, then you can simply click on install and you can install the Pokemon Unite and you can play the Pokemon Unite on your PC. So that's how you can play. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.